Becky Farm Wench here, and today I'm going to talk you through cleaning a hen house. Yay! Not my favorite job, but I do feel it's important to have a clean hen house, and I try and keep it clean once a month, which may seem extreme. Some people don't clean their hen houses at all, but I aspire to have a hen house like my hero, Lisa Steele, who wrote Fresh Eggs Daily. Unfortunately, this book is out of print, but it is my Bible. Now, I aspire to have a hen house like Lisa's. She has curtains hanging up in the nesting boxes. Yeah, we won't get to that level, but we can try and reach it. So today I'm going to take you through the best and most effective, most practical way to clean a hen house. If you are so inclined to join me, you will need a towel you don't care about, because we're going to scrub down the perches with my favorite soap, Castile soap. There's also a Dr. starts with a B. Anyway,
Dr. Bronner's. It says it right on there. The cameraman's not supposed to say anything.
So this is the same thing.
You also need an assistant.
You need an assistant like the one who's filming. Hi, say hi to Kyle, everybody.
Hi to Kyle, everybody.
My lifelong friend. I like to use a paint scraper, good for getting poop. I use wire brushes to scrub the perches. I have a big snow shovel that I take the straw out with, and at the end I coat everything with diatomaceous earth because it kills critters that are mean to chickens. Also, you're going to want to cover yourself pretty well because it's an icky business. It's going to get dirty, and as usual, as a farm wench, we know that dirt is part of the game.
Ew.
Not pretty. So,
Poopy.
Pretty poopy. That's why we've got our boots on. Kyle has his boots on. And I try and do the hen house cleaning in the afternoon after they're done laying, because if I'm trying to clean this ledge and they're going into the nesting boxes, they get real crabby. And I don't want to deter them from laying. So I try and do the hen house cleaning in the afternoon, and it's pretty windy here in the afternoons most of the time, so we got lucky today. We've got our scrapers. We're going to scrape all this stuff off the ledge. We're going to scrape all this stuff
What is that
off
all
the
over
perches. That's just chicken love.
Chicken love.
Just a whole lot of chicken love.
Dude.
We're going to get all that, and we're going to scrub it with the soap. We're going to scrub these perches, and we're going to dry them. We're going to take the broom, and I've got these ventilation areas covered up because it's still pretty cold. It's early spring. But in the summer, we'll pull those down so they get lots of air.
God, what do you do with these chains? They look...
That's where we hang their feeder. It's not any kind of chicken torture.
I was going to say.
It's not chicken torture.
Really, yeah.
No. Hi,
There's
baby.
a chicken.
Hi, Lacey.
Lacey.
Lacey, you gotta come back, okay?
So...
The fun doesn't start till when we get the straw going. They like to play in the straw, so at the end it will be definitely a chicken party. But for now, you gotta go. Don't be all curious. And I do this to the screens.
Ah, she's dusting.
Dusting.
You know what that means? Like little particles of chicken poop are going in my nose and my mouth.
And you know what? Normally I would wear a mask, but I find it very claustrophobic anyway, so we're just going
to hard to get masks these days.
Yeah, this is not the time to be hoarding masks, so we're going to go mask free, but we're going to open up the window and the door so that it's nice and airy in here, and we don't feel icky after our...
well, I think we're going to feel icky no matter what.
Probably going to feel icky no matter what.
Yeah. Something you should know is that if you're doing this, it's just going to be icky.
A lot of poop.
Yeah.
One thing about being a farmer, a lot of poop.
It's all about poop.
So all about poop.
So I'm not only doing camera duties, I'm helping scrub off the perches. And I think Colette would agree with me that this is how you find out who your friends really are. Is if they'll scrub off chicken poop.
Such a nice boy.
Yeah, she feeds me.
I do feed
I had a
him
roast
lot.
beef sandwich that was delicious. That's what I'm getting paid to do this. And you may think me a fool, and you'd probably be correct, but this is what we do here at the farm for the farm wench. And so
he's a good friend.
Just good. He's okay.
He's okay, I guess. Come on, Mommy needs to work.
Chickens keep coming in. They want to see their mommy.
So now I'm going to do, we've scrubbed all the perches. It's looking good. And we're going to just do a light scrub of this little ledge that I have built up here. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it's nice to kind of just get the majority of cooties.
I'm going to ask you what you're scrubbing off. It's cooties.
It's cooties. In the winter, it's even worse because they spend more time in the hen house. This is springtime, and they're starting to come out and do their dust bathing outside, so it's better. But you know, kind of, what can I say? I run a tight ship. First, now we're going to get the towel. And we're going to dry off. Once again, we're going to work from the top down. So you don't want your wood wet. You know.
Oh, really?
Nothing worse than wet wood. We're going to dry everything down rather well. And then we do the shoveling. The shoveling of the straw. Just the best part ever, because we're getting rid of the last ickiness. Sometimes you even find eggs.
You find eggs in the straw and amongst the poop?
No, sometimes they build little, if they feel crowded, they'll build a little nest down under the ledge. I haven't done it this year yet, but so you can see why we wear hat, gloves, coat, wheelbarrow.
Yes,
Shovel. And when Kyle isn't here, I have to kick the door open because it closes automatically. And dump. And kick the door open. And dump.
Look at that technique.
This is why I like straw. I prefer straw to shavings. A lot of people will go for shavings, but some say the cedar or the pine isn't good for the chickens. The thing I like about the straw is it cleans up easier, it clumps together easier for shoveling, and makes for easier shoveling. And the chickens absolutely adore it. See, Billy told you. They love it. After we put the new straw down, they're going to have a party that you won't believe. Hi, Dusty. You gotta go, girl. Okay, we're not done. Shoo, 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 shoo. Okay, we'll be right back. Shoo, 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 shoo.